Hi all, Vijay here. Welcome to my channel named TechieZira and welcome to this Angular tutorial. In last video, we talked about the custom pipe. We saw that how we create a custom pipe and how to use that pipe. Friends, if you don't know how to create a custom pipe, I will suggest that please watch that video first. Today, in this tutorial, we will talk about pure and impure pipe. We will see the difference between pure and impure pipe. We will see how to create pure and impure pipe in Angular. In order to understand pure and impure pipe, first of all, we need to understand that how pipes works in Angular. In last video, we created a pipe named TE pipe and we use this pipe in the template expression. Whenever Angular compiler will execute this code, this template expression, compiler will execute the transform method of this pipe. And where is the transform method? Where we have transform method? We have transform method inside our class which we created in order to create our pipe. How we create a custom pipe in Angular? We create a class, we provide the pipe decorator. We just provided one property named name, but we have one more property which we can provide is the pure property. And we can pass either true or false value. If we don't write this property, then by default compiler treat this property as a true. It means compiler will treat this pipe as a pure pipe. But if we want to create this pipe as an impure pipe, then how we will create? We will just provide the false property. Okay, so this is how we create a pure or impure pipe. In order to create a pure pipe, we provide the true value to the pure property, and if we want to create an impure pipe, we will pass the false property. Now we will see what's the difference between pure and impure pipe. A pure pipe is only called when Angular detects a change in the value or the parameters passed to a pipe. What it means? Like we created this pipe and what value we are passing to this pipe is EMPID. It means the transform method of this TE pipe will execute only when the value of this EMPID will change. Otherwise, the transform method will not execute again. In order to prove this, what I am doing, I am just writing console.log here. And let me run this. Now I run this and I have output 1 because when Angular will render this HTML on the browser, Angular will execute our pipe and at that time the transform method of our pipe will execute. But after that, if I have some button on my page, if I will click on that button, our transform method will not execute again unless and until I will not change the source value. And what's the source value in our case? EMPID. So in case of pure pipe only executes initially and after that only executes when the source value will change. Otherwise, your pure pipe will not execute again. Let me do one more thing. I am adding a button. Let me raise one click event as well. And I am calling a test function. Now let me try to click on this button. Now we can see our transform method will not execute again when I will click on this save button. Because our pipe is a pure pipe and in case of pure pipe, transform method will execute only and only when the source value will get changed. Now let me change this pipe as a impure pipe. And how we will do that? We will just try pure false. Now our pipe is a impure pipe. And what's the definition of the impure pipe? An impure pipe is called for every change detection cycle, no matter whether the value of the parameter changes or not. Now our pipe is impure pipe So now it doesn't matter whether the value of this EMP ID will change or not, but our transform method will execute again and again on every change detection cycle. And what's the meaning of the change detection cycle? Like whenever I will click on this button, what Angular will do? Angular will just try to render all the values, whatever we have on the page, on the HTML again. So whenever I will click on this button, a change detection will occur and our transform method will execute again in case of impure pipe. Okay, let's check that. Let me clear this first of all. Whenever I will click, whenever I will click on this button, our transform method will execute again and again. Okay. So what's the difference between pure and impure pipe now? Pure pipe will execute only when the source value will get changed, and impure pipe will execute whenever a change detection occurs in Angular. Now we can see in our case we have just a single line of code inside the transform method. Suppose you are creating an impure pipe where your transformation logic have around 500 lines or the 600 lines of code. So imagine if your transform method is executing on every change detection, then definitely it will be a performance impact. So we should not create an impure pipe unless and until it is required. So that's why whenever we create a pipe and if we don't provide this pure property, then by default your pipe is a pure pipe. So again, let me summarize this. What is pure pipe? In case of pure pipe, your transform method will execute only and only when the source value will get changed. And in case of impure pipe, your impure pipe will execute on every change detection. Whenever Angular will do a change detection, your transform method of your impure pipe will execute, and it's a performance impact. So now what we need to remember? We need to remember three things: the definition of the pure and impure pipe. We need to remember that if we don't provide any option while creating a pipe, then by default your pipe will be the pure pipe. The third thing you need to remember is the syntax, like how you create a pure and the impure pipe. In order to create a pure or impure pipe, you need to provide the pure property. If you don't provide this pure property, then by default Angular will treat this as a true. It means that will be a pure pipe. But if you want to create an impure pipe, how you will create? You will provide this pure property and you will pass the false value. If you have any doubt or question, please ask in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks all.